Hey everyone, it's Mark Skipper Mark. So today's video is about Matt's 1986 Z28 Camaro. A few days ago he put new headers on it. He took the original headers, well not original, but the headers that were on it off, and he put straight hooker headers on it. The other headers kind of were small and kind of curved around the engine. These go sort of straight down and then form like an L going out the back. So they provide a lot more airflow. Unfortunately, there's not really any exhaust systems that you can buy for it that are, you know, like pre-made. So he customized one using spare parts that he had from other exhaust, experiences that he tried. So he took a few different parts and welded them all together and made a pretty nice exhaust. So let's check it out and see how it turned out. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day. These stainless steel pipes are from a company called Mufflex. They have flat spots on them to get around the frame of the car. This Y pipe is from Flowmaster. Matt didn't really want to use a Y pipe, but he didn't really want to spend a lot of money on a true dual exhaust either. This is an unknown brand of pipe that Matt had laying around. It is 4 inches, which the exhaust is from the Y connector back. It's 3 inches from the headers to the end of the Y connector. This part is from an old catback exhaust that he had. It's going to stop right before the axle. The welder that Matt uses is a titanium Easy Flux 125 that he got at Harbor Freight. It's a great welder, but because it's gasless, it tends to spit a little bit. I'm not sure if that's the right term, but the welds don't come out quite as pretty as with a gas welder. These are some subframe connectors that Matt welded under his car to strengthen it, and they look awesome once they were painted. I didn't have a way to record Matt welding everything together, but it's all done, so let's test it out. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I appreciate that you made it this far. So as you can see, you don't have to spend a ton of money to do things to your car. If you have spare parts laying around, or you can get parts from a junkyard or whatever, you can save a ton of money versus having to buy them brand new. So if you have any questions about this video, please let me know. We'd be happy to answer anything that we can. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.